Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial video, I'm about to show you how to turn off the notifications for Snapchat. What you need to do is open up the Snapchat app, go to your profile, and then on the right top corner press on settings, go to notifications, and you could individually turn off the notifications as per your need. And the most shortest way to turn off the total notifications is to press Snapchat, go to its settings, press on notifications. Now, you must turn off the notifications. This way, the total notifications for Snapchat will be off. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting tutorial videos. Hope to see you soon in another video. Until then, take care and goodbye.